Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and other videos. So today I am making spicy fried chicken recipe. Very crispy, delicious and tasty to make at home with the method I mentioned. So before you start making this recipe, you must subscribe to my channel. So I start making this recipe now. So first of all, I have all the stuff here for spicy fried chicken recipe. So first we will marinate the chicken. So first here I have a bowl. First I will put yogurt in the bowl. Now I am putting chopped garlic pieces in it. And here you are adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Now I will mix yogurt, garlic and vinegar well. Now it's time to add all the spices. So first I will put 1 tablespoon bunch of pepper in it. A tablespoon ginger garlic powder, a tablespoon spicy ginger fried masala, a tablespoon of dried coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon black pepper powder, half tablespoon of salt to taste, because even single spices, all the spices already are mixed. And now we will mix all the spices in yogurt. Once all the spices are well mixed, I will add the chicken pieces in yogurt spices. We have to put all the pieces in the yogurt spices in the same way. And now I will mix them well with a spoon. After mixing them well, I will cover it for about 2 hours. I will freeze it for 2 hours so that the chicken is well marinated. Now we have to prepare flour mixture for frying spicy fried chicken. First I put the flour in the tray. And now we will add some spices to make our today's recipe a bit more delicious. So first I will add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon ginger powder, 1 tablespoon lot of pepper, 1 tablespoon salt to taste, one tablespoon red chili powder, After adding all the spices, I will mix it well in the flour. After marinating the chicken for 2 hours, we are now ready to fry it. So first of all, I will pick up a pieces of chicken and dip it in the egg mixture well. After putting the chicken pieces in the egg mixture well, I will put flour on it well. Now I will put it in the egg mixture again, and I will put fine flour on it again, and we have to put the flour well over the chicken with our hands so that its cuts become much more delicious and good. Once the pieces are ready, keep them in a pot, and after that all the chicken pieces have to be prepared in the same way. So here are some of our chicken pieces, and now I am putting all the chicken pieces in hot oil for frying. When the chicken pieces are put it in the oil, its flame should be very light and hands should be completely dry until ghee splashes on top. That's why caution is better. And we have to let the chicken cook on low heat till light brown color comes, and put the chicken in the oil and do not shake it with anything else, otherwise their crumbs will start to break, and when their crumb goes bad it does not taste good at all and there is no pleasure in it. And now it has a light brown color here and it is well cooked from the inside. Now I will sift it out to all spicy fried chicken pieces. So mashallah, our today's spicy fried chicken recipe is ready, and you must try it too. Inshallah you will like it very much. And after you try it with the method I mentioned, I must tell you in the comment section how you like this recipe. Like, share, comment plus subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and waiting for my next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.